Hi, I'm Anna Hosford and I'm here today to talk to you about the dreaded 14-day wait. So IVF is all action, scans and egg collections and embryo transfers, and then the embryos go back and you have to wait the long 12 to 14 days for the pregnancy test. It's really hard and it's really frustrating, but our first advice is don't cheat. Don't try and do it early. It doesn't work. You're going to call us crying saying it's negative after 7 days. We're going to tell you to stay on your meds and do it as scheduled on your appropriate day. We've done our best. You've done your best. And once we put the embryos back, it's up to them at that stage. They either have the ability to work or they don't. So keep busy, follow your restrictions and your activities and everything that your nurse coordinator will review with you after your transfer. And be at peace. You've done your best. Let the embryos do their thing. Take your medications and be positive, because positive thinking really does help the outcome. Okay? And good luck in Barbados Fertility Centre. You're at the best hands and we look forward to you reaching out to us and helping you achieve your family.